So today I brought you another series with 12 books, and this is written by Cressida Cowell. This is the How to Train Your Dragon series. First off, I'll start with an intro to the author. So here we have a picture of Cressida. Cressida Cowell grew up in London and on a small uninhabited island off the west coast of Scotland, where she spent her time writing stories, fishing for things to eat, and exploring the island looking for dragons. She was convinced that there were dragons living on the island and has been fascinated by them ever since. So now I'll start with the intro to the books. First book is How to Train Your Dragon. Second, How to Be a Pirate. How to Speak Dragonese. How to Cheat a Dragon's Curse. How to Twist a Dragon's Tail. A Hero's Guide to Deadly Dragons. How to Ride a Dragon's Storm. How to Break a Dragon's Heart. How to Steal a Dragon's Sword. How to Seize a Dragon's Jewel. How to Betray a Dragon's Hero. And last but not least, we have How to Fight a Dragon's Fury. Now I'll give you some fun facts about these books before you go off and read them. First off, we have the main character. Hiccup Horrendous Haddock III was an awesome sword fighter, a dragon whisperer, and the greatest Viking hero that ever lived. Hiccup's memoirs look back when he was an ordinary boy and finding it hard to be a hero. So here we have some pictures. Moving, I'm just taking some small points from each book so that you guys can get a catch of it. So now we have the types of dragons. I'm going to tell you some names. Common or garden dragon, cuckoo dragons, dark breathers, deadly naddlers, driller dragons, doomfangs, eight-legged battlegores, electrostixies, electrosquirms, flame huffers, giant bee eaters, glowworms, golphins, gronklers, hogflies, horrors, long-eared caretaker dragons, mood dragons, nanodragons, poison darters, poisonous spiffleworms, polar serpents, prickle pines. Let's go to the other list in the other book. Raptotons, razorbeams, red-hot itchy worms, rip-roarers, rocket rippers, saber-toothed driver dragons, scarers, sea dragons, Giganticus maximus, sharkworms, short-winged squirrel serpents, scullions, sniffer dragons, squealers, stealth dragon, stink dragons, triple-header rage beasts, tongue twisters, toothless daydream. So Toothless Daydream is famous because it's Hiccup's dragon. Vampire dragons, venomous warpens, water dragons. Okay, so now let's go to one of our last fun facts from the books. So these are some of the main characters in these books. Hiccup, the hero of this story. Toothless, Hiccup's disobedient little dragon. Hiccup's best friend, Fishlegs. Horn Crow, Fish's dragon. And then we have Dog's Breath, the Brain. Snotlout's friend. Snotlout is top of the class at basketball, advanced doddery, senseless violence and everything else. So there are more information when you read these books, so I hope that you read them. So bye, see you in another day with another one of my videos. So visit my FB page, subscribe that icon if you haven't subscribed my channel. Watch out for more videos from my channel, click the bell icon over there and like this video. Bye!